Golden Sunrise friends, this is a short video explaining about VK. In the picture, you can see a steel bangle. The steel bangle is attuned with cosmic energies by Sharat Sir. Sharat Sir has named it as VK or Vibes Kada. VK is available only with Sharat Sir. Sharat Sir stays in Delhi in India. VK users are using VK to manifest better health, better relationships, increase communication and love between the family members, wealth creation, peace of mind, improve meditation, and much more. Here you can see VK of different sizes. The size differs in diameter. However, each size VK has same 11 cosmic energies and they all work in the same way. The size difference is only for users' convenience. As VK is worn mostly on the wrist, so to match the size of the wrist, there are different sizes VK. But they all are same in all aspects. VK can be worn on the wrist. It can be worn in any hand as per your wish. Like some VK users, they will wear it in the left hand, some will wear it in the right hand. So there are no restrictions. You can wear it in any hand. Now suppose you have two VKs, you can wear one VK in the left hand and one VK on the right hand. As per your choice, you can choose which hand you want to wear VK. This is the smallest size VK. It is around 3.5 to 4 centimeters in diameter. Sharat Sir has named this VK as Chotu VK. In Hindi language, with love, we call small things as Chotu. So Sir has named this VK as Chotu VK. You can name your VK with any name that you like. Every VK works in the same way. So the Chotu VK also works the same way as the bigger size VKs. Many VK users are wearing this Chotu VK or the smallest size VK in their neck. They just use a simple thread of any color, or you can even take a metal chain of any metal and put VK and put it around your neck in a chain. Some VK users are using long chains so that the VK comes on their heart chakra. If you don't want to wear it in the neck chain, you can just simply carry with you or in your wallet or on your in your pockets on your clothes. VK can be worn by any gender. It can be worn by anyone or all family members of any age. There are no rituals or formalities when you wear VK for the first time or any time. So just when you receive VK, just wear it. VK users are using VK to send positive energies to themselves or to their near ones or dear ones. Many VK users are using VK to send positive energies to their near ones who are staying in different cities or even different countries. This can be done just with a direct request to VK. VK users are using VK to energize their drinking water, bath water, or cooking water with VK. With VK, one can energize water with any positive energy, like the energy of mantras, affirmations, switch words, crystals, EFT, videos, audios, golden sunrise, and much more. It's very easy to charge water, whether you have the water with you or you can even charge water for others who are not even staying with you in a different country. Now, how to use VK to energize water or how to send energies with a direct request to VK, you can refer to the links below this video. Another way to use VK to send energies to more than one person, like a couple or a team of people or family members is by requesting VK for energies and keeping VK on their picture. So one can use Hanuman Chalisa or Shield of Seven Rays energy to protect families from evil effects or black magic effects. One can even improve communication, love, peace, harmony in family through use of love serum or one soul serum using VK on picture. Anyone can use VK to energize pictures. Pictures can be of individuals or group of people. One can even energize energy circles, golden sunrise manifestations, wishes, vision boards, company logos, your project work, your creativity, your creative works, your drawings through VK. Children are very fond of eating chocolates and candies, so many VK users are charging chocolates, candies, or toffees using VK for children's better health, career, studies, stage performance, sports, creativity, happiness, or any de addiction. So one can use VK to charge these toffees or chocolates with energy of cosmic serums or switch words or mantras or positive words. Cosmic serums. Cosmic serums are energy packs which are created by Sharad Sir and released in the universe. These cosmic serums can be accessed only through VK. Cosmic serums are not switch words. They are not solids or liquids, they are just energy systems which can be accessed only by request to VK. Here you can see a chart of cosmic serums. There are cosmic serums for health like Perfect Health Serum. Then there are organ specific cosmic serums like eye serum, heart serum, Digi serum, Kepen serum. Then there is a cosmic serum for wealth creation, that is Total Wealth Serum. There are cosmic serums for mind, that is Calm Down Serum, Mood Up Serum. For relationships, cosmic serums are Love Serum, One Soul Serum. For improving personality is Alpha Male Serum or Alpha Woman Serum. Balance Serum is a universal cosmic serum with many qualities. Just remember that cosmic serums are energy systems which can be used only with VK. Shield of Seven Rays. Shield of Seven Rays is a special energy system by Sharad Sir. It can be used only through VK. Shield of Seven Rays is not a switch word. It is an energy system which works with VK for protection against evil eyes, nazar, black magic. VK users energize their drinking water and foods with Shield of Seven Rays. They also protect their career, reputation, business deals, wealth, job, bank accounts, children, and dear ones, relationships using this energy through VK. Shield of Seven Rays with VK is a great boon to mankind. VK users are energizing their wallets, financial instruments like checkbook, business agreements with Total Wealth Serum or Wealth Mantra Shreem using VK daily or as per need. VK users are charging their food with positive energies like Perfect Health Serum for good health, Digi Serum for good digestion, Gym Serum for flexibility and good strength in the body. Also, one can use VK and charge food items with Total Wealth Serum for prosperous life. Can charge food with mantras, affirmations, raw food, uncooked food, cooked food, all can be energized with VK. Even while cooking, one can energize foods to have delicious recipes. Personal hygiene products and cosmetics can be energized with beauty serum using VK. Once charged, these products remain charged until they are used. So when you buy new packs of cosmetics or hygiene products, must charge them using VK. VK has infinite possibilities. With VK, one can energize water, food, books, cosmetics, pillows, electric appliances, shoes, clothes, and things of daily use. One can enhance meditation with VK. You can send energy of mantras to any person at any distance using VK just with the title of mantras. You can even send energy of affirmations to your dear ones using VK. Even if you don't know how to do Reiki psychic surgery or EFT, you can still do it through VK just with a simple request. VK can be worn anytime and every time. VK users are wearing VK 24/7 throughout the year. One can do all routine work while wearing VK, like sleeping, bathing, eating, studying, running, traveling, working. One can wear VK even while performing religious rituals like Diwali Puja or any other ritual. VK users are wearing VK while they are in intimacy and enjoying sex, or in meetings, while traveling, driving a car, exercising, playing, or any other work. There are many ways to use VK. Daily on our Facebook group, we are posting how to use VK in daily life. VK users are posting their experiences on Facebook and motivating many people. So do catch up with us daily to learn about VK on our Facebook group. We have an online forum to learn, discuss, and share VK's knowledge, information, tips on daily use. VK users are posting their experiences as success stories on different topics and areas of life. You must visit VK forum for learning VK and understanding how VK users are beautifully using their VK. The site is forum.lightarian.com. You can even type Lightarian Forum on Google and you will get it. This is a very brief introduction about Vibeskada or VK. Please note VK is available only with Sharat Sir at Delhi, India. If you want to get a VK, then please send an email to vkmagic59@gmail.com. Team VK will respond to your email. VK has infinite possibilities. There are many ways to use VK. VK is very simple yet very versatile. You can follow the links below to know how to measure your size for VK. Also, there are many articles and links provided below on how to use VK. Thank you. Golden Sunrise.